Yeah, what I have here is a 1969 Evinrude 18 horse. It had water going through it, so I'm just switching out the head gasket. But what I noticed, there's a knock in it when the top piston is in about that position. The bottom one isn't bad, but right there's a bit of a definite knock. Not as loud as the bottom, but seems like it's just when the top piston, the skirt on it, is clearing the ports. Right in about that area there. I put the drill on it and don't really seem to notice it. Like I say, this motor did have water. I think it was a leaky head gasket. Water was coming out through the tube below the carburetor, and it had to be getting into the top cylinder by the look of it, and that's the one that has the noise. Any ideas? Let me know. I'm kind of curious without taking it apart.